have to write sections. If you are not sure which are exercisable at board meeting. What is board meeting? Board of Directors meeting. Provisions relating to board meeting, if you will see. Every company's board of directors shall conduct one meeting within a period of 2 months. Means yearly how many meetings? Six meetings per year. These powers are exercisable by the board of directors in the board meeting. Number one, to make call on shares. What is call on shares? See, if company has conducted IPO, initial public offer, for the first time shares are sold, or FPO. What is FPO? Further public offer. If it is old company, and second, third time it is issuing shares. Company calls. The investor has to apply with application money. For example, 100 rupees share is there. Company will call 20 rupees on application. Remaining 80 rupees will be like 20, 20, 20 equal basis. Company will ask 5 times. There must be 1 month time gap between each call. So application 20, allotment 20, first call 20, second call 20, third call 20. So total 100 rupees company will collect in minimum 5 months. Not before that. Clear? The board of directors has power to make calls on a certain due date. To authorize buyback of shares under section 68. What is section 68? A company can purchase its own shares and it can repay the capital of investors. That is called as buyback. Study the procedure of buyback in your own interest. This is very important content of company law. Procedure for buyback. 18 points procedure is there. To issue securities, including debentures, in or outside India. Now securities inculcates shares, scrips, coupons, bonds, debentures. All this comes under the word securities. It is power of board of directors to issue the securities within India or in overseas market outside India. To borrow monies. Borrow money means not raise loans from financial institutions, bankers, public financial institutions, private financing. The power is given to the board for borrowing monies, for expansion, for buying of machinery, or any number of purposes are there for which board of directors will borrow monies. To invest funds of the company. After getting profits, board of directors has to put aside provision for taxation, proposed dividend which is payable to the shareholders, then some reserve funds, general reserve, dividend equalization reserve, fixed asset reserve. Like after making provision for reserve, remaining amount company can invest. The decision will be of board of directors after dividend payment. To grant loans or guarantee loans or to provide security against any loan. Security means company is providing mortgage of an asset of the company. जैसे 5 करोड़ का लोन है, कंपनी का बिल्डिंग है 20 करोड़ का, वो मॉर्गेज में लिख के दिया बैंक को, ठीक है 5 करोड़ दे दो या हम सिक्योरिटी दे रहे हैं. This is mortgage. Creation of the charge. Charge means the asset is mortgage and bank writes if you will not repay, you will sell this property. This is called a charge on asset. Security. To approve financial statements and board of directors report, annual report, financial report, all reports shall be signed by the board of directors. Financial statements approval means signing by directors is compulsory. What is financial statement? Profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow statement, funds flow statement. All these are what? financial statements. So authentication will be done by board of directors of the company to change the product line, to change the markets of selling, diversification of business. Power is given to the board to approve amalgamation, merger or reconstruction. Amalgamation means what? Two companies coming together. One company remains, second company gets liquidated and comes into first company. Merger is what? Two companies comes together, both companies are liquidated, one new company is formed. Merger. And reconstruction can be done as an internal reconstruction by creating the capital reduction account or an external reconstruction of the company. It may inculcate entire revaluation of the assets and liabilities of the company, changing the shareholding pattern, changing the ownership structure of the company under reconstruction. To take over a company, take over means what? Taking all assets and liabilities of B company by A, paying of liabilities, taking of assets, payment of lump sum price, take over. Is that it? So decision remains in the hands of board of directors. Any other matters prescribed under company law. Again, some additional powers are given to appoint additional director, alternate director or a nominee director. Additional director, you know, the director who has been entrusted with some extra work over and above the regular board. Additional directors are appointed for specified purposes. What is alternate director? Alternate director is appointed for a period of 3 to 4 months. If existing director is going out of state for a period more than 3 months, then to take over his work charge, another person will be appointed as an alternate director, but he will be only for the period till which he will return back to his office. 3 to 4 months, 5 months maximum. Clear? A nominee director is nominated by financial institutions which are given loans. For example, State Bank of India has given loan of 10 crores to ABC Limited. So State Bank will say, take our nominee director. He will be part of your board of directors. He will be there in decision making and he will let us inform what is going inside, because we have given our loan should be protected. So they are nominated by public financial institutions or other financial institutions, bankers who had given loans to the company. Shall I hope it is understood? To grant sanctions to the contracts in relation to interested directors. What is interested director? The director who is interested in any of the contracts of the company. कंपनी ने टेंडर निकाला, हमें 500 करोड़ का मटेरियल चाहिए, रॉ मटेरियल. We have got order of manufacturing from overseas and we want 500 crores raw materials. The suppliers are requested to submit their tenders. पूरे ऑल इंडिया में ऐड पब्लिश होगी. Means what? जिन के पास वो मटेरियल को अप्लाई करेंगे, चलो भाई हमारा रेट इतना रुपए केजी है. Sell to contracts in relation to an interested, but after following the entire procedure. To appoint first auditor, section 139. First statutory auditor will be appointed by the board of directors. Thereafter, every year, statutory auditor will be appointed only by shareholders in annual general meeting every year. If no auditor is appointed, then central government will appoint. Company has to give notice to the central government within 7 days that AGM did not appoint an auditor. Kindly appoint. So central government will appoint. In a critical case, to make political contribution, so many large-scale companies are giving political contributions to political parties. कोई कंपनी कांग्रेस को देती है, कोई बीजेपी को देते हैं, कोई एनसीपी को देते हैं, लाइक जिसका उसका अपना मर्जी है कि इसको कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन देना है. But that power is towards the board of directors. under section 182. To appoint whole-time KMPs. KMP means what? Key managerial personnel. Key means powerful. ये 5 लोग लिखे मैंने यहाँ. Number 1, MD, Managing Director, who is head of the department of our board. Managing Director is HOD. He leads the board. Second is Chief Executive Officer, CEO of the company, who is entrusted with administrative powers. Manager. Who is manager? Marketing manager. Finance manager. See, manager is a position